are you guys? Who are you guys? How did you get on? How did you get on our frequency? Who are you guys? Why are the cops chasing you? How did you get on? How did you get on our frequency? Yikes! Take them to
smash the radios, bro. We still got money for y'all when y'all get out. We still got money.
I don't know. We don't got money for y'all. Y'all lost your cut. Y'all lost your cut.
He's got a point. He's got a point.
Y'all lost the pistol. Y'all lost our money. I don't even know y'all anymore. Who are you guys? I was at the crib playing PlayStation all day. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. Okay, you just have to believe in yourself. You gotta think about the heart of the card.
If we get rid of this one car, would be good. But you got 20 guys.
Wait, do you have a premium electric gas money?
Hey, y'all better smash those radios. That's important as fuck. We're all going down. But we do have money for y'all when y'all get up. You're just gonna have to smash it then immediately. Or we're all going back. Bro, you could have smashed it already if you don't think you're getting out.
You gotta smash it and throw the guts out the window.
Smash it, throw the guts out the window, baby. We got packed money sitting on it, bro. We gonna save it for you. Bro, that car is fast as shit. Is probably why. God dang. Where's Nino?
Be nice if he pulled over. Oh my god. It's a snowman, not a woman. Nice supercar. You have a really nice super, not gonna lie.
Yeah, you should have. Yeah, I guess, in a way. Might be good. It's the helicopter though. It's the helicopter.
Y'all better smash them fucking radios,
Yeah.
bro.
Go to the tunnels, city tunnels.
Yeah, go through the tunnels, bro.
In front of Moore's. In front of Moore's.
Construction. Yeah, construction site.
Oh, hell no. You gotta get to the city, bro, or you're not gonna lose the hell.
gotta find train tracks to get onto and
Bro,
find the
y'all gotta
tunnel.
duck off. If y'all duck off and get away, bro, I swear, y'all are
Yo, if you lose the heli,
yeah, that's enough. That's plenty. That's plenty. You gotta lose that heli though. You gotta shake it, bro.
yeah.
Yeah, on the railroad tracks and shit. Yeah, hit that shit and try and duck off at like grapeseed chop or whatever's up there. Was it Right Lake or something? Yeah, and just turn the lights off, bro. Just get under a tree and fucking sit. You're gonna get your car though. I mean, they could tie it to you unless you just say it was stolen somehow. If you ain't got prints in that motherfucker. You got ops on you again, or it's just the chopper? Bro, you lost all 14 of them motherfuckers?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yo, y'all good?
All that. Hey. I better smash the fucking radios if I get caught, bro.
Hide in a bush.
Y'all good. Let us know what's up, bro. Y'all turn your phones off, right? Yeah, make sure Nino turn this shit off too.